Hey guys, it's Connie. I'm here with something completely different today. I am in the Colorado Rockies with eBay Motors, 4 vehicles, overlanding, rock crawling. All 4 of these cars were bought on eBay Motors, as well as all of the gear you see, the rooftop tents, the winches. We have an older Lexus GX. We have a 25-year-old Jeep Cherokee, which I'm taking rock crawling, a Porsche Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo, which can do some overlanding and has a rooftop tent. We're going to open up that tent, show you how that works. We are living the dream out here in the Colorado Rockies with eBay Motors. All right, we've got the Porsche brand rooftop tent going up.
How tall are you, Sean?
5'6".
Sean is 5'6", and he is having no. Well, now he's going to stand on the threshold of the door. But look how easy that is.
In this beautiful reservoir spot. Gorgeous, gorgeous day for overlanding in a Porsche. All right, and now we are in a 1999 Jeep Cherokee Sport, completely fitted out and bought on eBay Motors. We're at about 10,000 feet in elevation. We just did some major rock crawling to get up here, and this thing did great. Look at this thing. We got it a little dirty. This has a rooftop tent as well. Everything on here, skid plate, winch, everything bought on eBay Motors. Good old 1999 Jeep Cherokee. We've even got a cassette deck in there. Now we have our whole kitchen set up with a stove, a sink, storage, pots, pans, everything, and even a canopy. As you can tell, we also have a rooftop tent, which is not set up, but this is like pretty cool.
Just know that it's coming straight on down. There we go. Right there.
Yeah.
Just put these tires right on top of that rock and you'll be fine. In off-roading a lot, when you're ground guiding and things and looking back at the vehicle, we try not to use left and right, because if they're looking this way, they're left and our right, it's the opposite. So we use driver's side, passenger side, and then it's always apparent where it is.
We are going to learn how to use the winch on this Toyota Tacoma to pull out this side-by-side that is supposedly stuck.
Pushes the cable to the ground, it doesn't snap back up and, you know, hit the vehicle or hit it or a person standing by. So we're going to use that.
All right.
All right, we are in the Toyota Tacoma SR5, kitted out with some new tires, camping gear, and we are at 11,300 feet right now in the Colorado Rockies, up in Summit County. on the side of a cliff. And we are on our second day of off-roading with eBay Motors and our third trail. And we still have the GX to go, but this has been, I think, my favorite trail so far because it's so beautiful. Oh, and we just did the winching thing, and we're just having a blast out here in the countryside. Or actually, it's not the countryside, it is the Rocky Mountains.
On the mountainside.
Yeah.
We are above the tree line.
Yes, we are.
Look at this. There's no forest up here.
Amazing. I'm guessing we're getting close to the camper area.
Right, so we're gonna come back and do a little stop here. We'll just take some photos.
Here?
Yeah, we'll come back and
Oh,
take
later.
some photos.
Okay.
We're gonna continue on.
Okay.
Look at that.
I mean, it's just beautiful backcountry.
Yeah. And from here, we are going even higher. We're gonna go around back that mountain over there before we head back down the mountain. All right, we just took this Lexus GX. It is a 2009. We are up again, high up in the mountains, and pretty intense off-road or overlanding trail all the way up here. Lots of rocks, lots of narrow trail. Really, really fun drive, and this thing killed it. And now we get to go back down. As you can see, we have a winch. We have off-road or all-terrain tires, different wheels. We have a snorkel. We have off-road lighting, that light bar, and those front lights right there are all eBay Motors, including that canopy you see right there, the rooftop tent. It's all kitted out. eBay Motors. It looks amazing, fun to drive. And when I put this video together, I will make sure to put all the equipment they bought on eBay Motors, how much they paid for this Lexus on eBay Motors, and let me know if you guys have questions. We're just coming down off of almost 12,000 feet in elevation in this Lexus. All right, you guys, that marks the end of our adventure with eBay Motors. We've got this cool canopy attached to the Lexus GX. We did the 12,000 foot elevation trail in this just now. It handled remarkably. The best, most intense off-road trail or overlanding trail I've ever been on. It was a blast. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Leave me any questions or comments, and I will put all of the products, the gear that we've used this week here in Colorado from eBay Motors. I'll link everything below, and how much each of the 4 cars we've driven over the past 2 days, how much they were.